What's going on, everyone? My name is Chris Dudo, and I'm the Goalie Gear Snob. And for those of you that may or may not know, I'm the Dallas Stars emergency backup goaltender. And for all the home games I'm required to be at, I like to be there early, film the way goalies break down the gear, and tell you what they're wearing. And yes, I have a lot of Carhartt shirts. Today, we're going to be looking at the Calgary Flames, featuring Devin Cooley and Dustin Wolf. And I was a little upset when I found out that Dustin Wolf wasn't starting, as I really wanted to watch him. But Devin Cooley put on an absolute show, a great performance in this game, and he was a lot of fun to watch. So starting with the gear, he is wearing a lot of Bauer gear with a pad, glove, and blocker, stick, and skates. However, he has a different helmet, different chest, and different pants. Kind of standard in those categories for what the pros like to wear if they aren't in Bauer. But if you'd like to learn exactly what he's wearing, skip forward to that gear breakdown and you'll get to see exactly what he's wearing. Looking at Dustin Wolf, he is almost head to toe in the CCM gear. However, he is still using his true skates. I did just want to call out that last year I did a little bit of a tease talking about what gear he was wearing and the size that he was wearing. He actually is wearing a 34+1. Pretty interesting that for a guy of his size wearing that 34, I definitely would have guessed a 33, maybe even a 32, but it looks like it's working out pretty well for him here. He is not wearing the EF7 pad, he is wearing an older generation, but if you'd like to learn exactly what that is, just go ahead and check out that gear breakdown section as well. When you're done watching this video, please make sure you share it out to a friend, as it will greatly help grow the channel. Now let's watch the full warm-up of the Calgary Flames featuring Devin Cooley and Dustin Wolf.
Perfect.
Thanks for watching this warm-up. If you'd like to watch more warm-ups from the 2025-2026 season, click that playlist right there. If you'd like to learn more about what the goalies wore at the end of last season, please click that video right there.